All right. Hi, everybody. Welcome to Discovering LodeStar Discovery. Today, we'll be telling you about LodeStar's free integration that's made possible today by Settlewise. My name is Ann DeMayo. I'm the National Sales Executive here at LodeStar, and I'm joined today by Shauna Protzman, who is the Operations Manager at Settlewise. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of an introduction of LodeStar. We're going to do a fee quoting demo within the Encompass environment, and then we're also going to do an introduction into Settlewise. So for those who don't know who LodeStar is a fee company. We only do fees. Fees are what we do. From our CEO down to our data team and our product team, we are only worrying about fees. We can handle them with 100% accuracy. And like I say, we are a boutique company because fees are all we do. Our data team monitors all the 3,000 plus counties within the country. We save an average of 10 minutes per file. And for 2 years consecutively, we are on the Inc. list. But the most important thing on this slide here that I want to note is that it is 100% free to use, again, made possible by Settlewise. So with our calculator, the fees that are listed here, your title insurance, settlement agent fees, your transfer taxes and recording fees are automatically going to be calculated and pushed through into your Encompass environment. Never copying and pasting, it's automatically read from your loan file. So again, everything's read directly into your LOS with the LodeStar calculator at zero cost to you. So now I'm going to do a little demonstration within Encompass for you all. So you're going to access your LodeStar calculator within the Services tab and order additional services. I have a New Jersey purchase pulled up just to show highlighted features within our calculator. So you're going to go ahead and click the calculator and then submit. One important thing I like highlighting is that within our calculator in Encompass, it stays within one window. You don't have any additional pop-ups to make it very user-friendly for your users. So as you see here, as I mentioned, everything is automatically read from your loan file. So you have your state, county, transaction type. Since it's a purchase, you'll have your loan amount and your purchase price. And your settlement agent here will be listed as the default of Settlewise, again, because they're making this possible for your integration to be free to use. LodeStar automatically defaults these deed and mortgage page counts based off of what's common in this jurisdiction. We are also automatically reading these questions here from your loan file. However, if you need to click these on or off, you can do so manually. Now, since we're your fee company, we are go ahead and taking care of the required endorsements as well as the state endorsements for your property as well as the state. So if this property happened to be a PUD, the Alta 5 would automatically be marked off and so on. You, of course, can also go ahead and add any additional endorsements as you see fit, but note we are taking care of the required ones for you. So your user would go ahead and click calculate. And it will pull you into this screen, which will show you your Section C your title fees as well as your Section E recording fees. And if you click on this, you'll see that it's common within this state to have the transfer taxes split here. And also because this property is over $1 million, please note that we are also taking into account the mansion tax. But I will say, please take a note here that this is on the seller side, just a key feature I'm going to highlight within the 2015 itemization screen. So we will click back and then export into Encompass. Then once Encompass is done thinking, we will go ahead and get back into our loan file. Again, everything stays within one screen. You're never having to copy and paste anything. Everything is going to be automatically pushed through into your itemization screen for you. So you'll get a pop-up and we will go back into our loan. And we all know Encompass loves to think, so we will let it do so. All right, so we're going to come back in here and go into your 2015 itemization screen. And then you will see here as we pulled through, as we selected Settlewise, all of your title fees will be listed here that were needed, as well as the APR flags and the paid twos. Your recording fees are pushed through automatically. And as I mentioned, not only are we putting the fees that are on the seller side in your recording section, we are also marking them as seller obligated. I was a former closer, so this box meant a lot to me to make sure that no maven flags were being pulled up or your page count was off. So again, we're your fee company. We're taking care of all this for you to know that you're disclosing your fees accurately. All right. So that's the demonstration I have with an Encompass today. We are going to, I'm going to turn it over to Shauna, who will go ahead and introduce Settlewise. Shauna, it's all yours.
Awesome. Thanks, Ann. Like Ann said, my name is Shauna Protzman. I am the Title Operations Manager here at Settlewise, and I'm going to share a few advantages that you will get by using Settlewise as your title company. So we are a boutique title company focused exclusively on helping LodeStar users to fill any gaps in their current title coverage. So for instance, let's say you have a loan in a new area that you don't currently have a title provider. We want to be able to step in immediately to assist you on that order. This will help prevent any title delays with title and close. By working with us, you'll have a dedicated point of contact between both LodeStar and Settlewise. So if you have questions regarding the LodeStar integration or you have title questions for Settlewise, you can reach out to myself directly and I can get those answered for you. Settlewise powers your LodeStar integration with 100% fee accuracy. Because we are owned by LodeStar, our fees will always be quoted with 100% accuracy when using LodeStar Discovery. So if there's ever a COC, you just run LodeStar Discovery again, and it will update all of your fees to the correct amounts. And if there are ever any changes to our fees, they'll be updated in the LodeStar database automatically. So you'll never have to worry about whether or not you are disclosing accurate fees. At Settlewise, we are dedicated to delivering exceptional customer service and responsiveness to our clients. Again, because we exclusively serve LodeStar users, we can prioritize high quality service for title orders and ensure that your experience with us stands out among other title companies. Again, my name is Shauna Protzman, the Title Operations Manager and your single point of contact at Settlewise. Please feel free to email me if you have any questions at sprotzman@gosettlewise.com. And if you are ready to place an order with Settlewise, you can either email the orders at gosettlewise.com directly, or if you are in Encompass, you can order through the Encompass Title Center if that's easier. All right, now I'm going to turn it over back to Ann to wrap things up.
Thanks, everybody. Again, we're happy to answer any questions that you guys might have. Please utilize the email addresses that were provided. We thank you so much for joining us today to walk through LodeStar Discovery within Encompass, powered by Settlewise. Again, if you'd like to sign up for LodeStar Discovery or learn more about LodeStar's enterprise level solutions, which will give you more itemizations and customizations, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We are happy to help. We hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and it was a pleasure speaking with you.